welcome back to the channel, Wheatzer's Whiskey and Watches. It's not a dry January for me, it's just I had a lot of time off, so I just took a little hiatus, I guess. Had a lot of other things pending, so I'm back. So we're gonna start it off with a bang. We're gonna do something a little kind of different, pretty good. I did a little experiment with it. We're gonna do some screwball whiskey today. We're gonna do some howler banana whiskey today, some chocolate bitters. We're gonna brulee a banana. That'll be the garnish. We'll put a cherry in there also. And we're just gonna make a banana peanut butter old fashioned. So I thought about contributing this to like Elvis or something like that, but I didn't have a watch that Elvis had, so I went with something a little different. And we've got the new Citizen Tsuyosa. So automatic banana yellow, just like everything else I got on. So I got a cool little light for empty bottles. I got a new bar top. We're inside. The weather is horrible out there. It was a really nice day today, but it's horrible out there, so my outdoor bar is no good. So you can check out my manufacturing of this new bar on my Wheatzer's Woodshop YouTube page. I'll put a link down below somewhere. So. All right, well, let's get started with the peanut butter banana old fashioned. All right, real simple. The three ingredients, like I said, the screwball peanut butter whiskey, the howler banana whiskey, and then we'll use the chocolate bitters. But we don't need any simple syrup. The howler is so sweet, and these are pretty low, low proof. So we'll probably use a little bit extra of this, and then this will be more of our simple syrup / banana flavoring, and then top it off with the chocolate stuff. So let's get some ice. Put it in your mixer. Chill your other glass. Sorry, I don't have any fancy ice. The new fridge didn't make any yet. So, all right, we'll start with the screwball. We will do 1.5 ounces of screwball whiskey. Glug, glug, glug. We will then put in there 3/4 of an ounce of the howler whiskey, banana whiskey. There we go. Just to have that flavor. This stuff is really good. If you like sweet stuff, holy cow. All right, Angostura chocolate bitters, cocoa bitters. Let's do 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3 cocoa bitters. All right. Stir till it is chilly. Perfect. Strain into your favorite glass. Oh, good pour. Good pour. All right, now here comes the good part. Let's brulee a banana. Wow, I'm getting clumsy over here. Let's set that aside. All right, let's get that banana. This is a frozen banana. So make sure to try to do that, because when we heat this up and brulee it, and then what I did is I took sugars and mixed a little cinnamon in there. So good idea to stir this up. Just get that all incorporated. Then with your favorite knife, I like to cut this at an angle. See how making it frozen cuts really nice and stays chunky. Put that aside, I'll eat that later. And then skewer this thing straight across. And that's another thing, it doesn't fall apart. And then just douse this thing with sugars. And if you can, just use a spoon, cover that, get a good amount on there. All right. Whew, it's gonna make a mess. That's all right. Put this aside. Now with your handy dandy torch, just melt that stuff. It's kind of nice because, man, when you start cooking this, it smells so good. Now we want this charred, so we got to get this as hot as possible. Torch is kind of running out of fuel. Might have to speed this one up. And there you have it. One bruleed banana. And then just lay that guy in there and we're golden. Let's, before I forget, let's put a cherry with a little cherry juice in there. Get that mixed in. Just a little more sweetness. It's just what we need, right? So yummy. And there you have it. The peanut butter banana old fashioned. So right away, it's just so banana fruity, banana forward. It just smells great with that little bit of the cinnamon and the burnt sugars. And cheers, everybody. That is so, as sweet as it is, it's real subtle. It's got just the right amount of peanut butter, just the right amount of bananas. You can taste a little bit of the burnt sugars, at least when you inhale it. It's just so good. The smell of banana, you know, the aroma of the banana when you're drinking it. It's just a really good cocktail. So, and I think this is the best part right here. So yummy. It's frozen still. You gotta try this. It is just absolutely delicious. All right. Well, let's look at this banana watch. All right, here it is in all its glory. So hopefully the light doesn't wash it out, but you can see that sunburst yellow. It's just beautiful. Really good movement on this thing. So these run price range about $300. Citizen Tsuyosa. That's the best pronunciation I've heard of it. So, but I'm sure that's the way it's pronounced. So the case size is 40 millimeters. The thickness is 11.8 millimeters. Lug to lug, 45 millimeters. It's got a water resistance of 50 meters, which is pretty good. The movement is Nyoda, 8210 movement, so pretty good frequency. It's very smooth. I really like how it ticks. It does a good job. It's also got sapphire crystal, so take that, Seiko. So maybe take some lessons from some of these. But it's got an integrated bracelet. That's the only fault that now the bracelet is really good. But I took it off because I found this rubber strap, and it is the most comfortable strap I've ever seen in my life, or worn in my life. So I will send a link, and I'll put a link in the description down below where you can get this. And it was a pretty easy install. It went right into it. It's really a strong install, or upgrade, so you don't lose any strength. It's not just a little pin right there in the middle. It goes all the way through. So really good stuff. I've been wearing this thing, and the yellow, I couldn't stay away from it. I really like the yellow. So, and that Cyclops, it kind of Rolex is, I guess. It just has which it actually helps, because if you wear readers and stuff like that, it does a really good job. And that sapphire crystal stays pretty scratch resistant. So really like this watch. It's a heavy watch. It has a really good balance on your wrist. So when when you wear it, it doesn't seem like, you know, it's gonna roll on you or anything like that. So, but yeah, this is the, and then they come in many different colors. So I think there's 3 or 4 or 5 different other colors on there. So I'm gonna try to pursue them. I'm gonna look for the other ones. I really like this Citizen. So. All right, there it is. The yellow banana Tsuyosa. Well, there you have it. The peanut butter banana old fashioned matched up with the Citizen yellow banana Tsuyosa. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'm really gonna start putting out some more content. So just took a nice break, did some research, got a new liquor cabinet, did the other one. I'm gonna put a link for this light. This is a really neat thing. It just goes in an empty bottle. It turns on, it dims. You can go higher, lighter, different tones or kelvins or however you want it. So let me know. This is the new shop or the new bar. Let me know how it looked. Let me know how it sounded. Bad comments or good comments. I need the constructive criticism. So, all right, I'll keep making the content. Until then, cheers. And thank you so much for watching Wheatzer's Whiskey and Watches. So good.